Tukiwork on the travel journal, nilikumbuka ama relearn that you can create a page inside here. So I was thinking, I don't know, what if we create a page here? You have a new page, right? And then inside so that page, a poco packing list, inside this page, you can have, let's say, clothes so that you know what you're going to pack for your clothes, right? And then close this. Sticky could close your tail, right? And then here you can still have another page. Yeah. I don't know if it makes sense. We will see later on come in our work. We have equipment, right? Sasa always the close one because there's only open in full. Wala ya kufunga. Sasa hiyo inanifungua sana rada sitaki huko. I mean, Notion is good, but its drawbacks as everything else, right? So you have clothes, you have equipment, so you can go check what is in your clothes, what is in your equipment. Sasa he list this property. I think we're going to delete it. Delete this property kwanza. And then comments. I don't know if it's a must or add comments. Okay. I mean properties. Here is a list of all essentials. A list. Right. Okay. You can also add another page. Apatena. It can be shoes. Page. What page am I on this page? Last name it shoes. Okay. So when you come here, Sonana Haineo property. When you open this, you'll come to this, and this, right? So, which means also when you come to the travel itinerary, I want us to open this travel itinerary. These are a timeline overview of events from July 1st to 3rd. We said to Tanini. We will worry about the Nini later. So, oh yeah, so now, okay, you may get. So now we add timeline view here. And then, sasa si tulisema ni ya from 20 to July. Let's just say this is July 1st. From July 1st to July 3rd, right? Good. Hi. Property. Checkbox. I've been looking for this property, right? Aya, sasa kwa hii checkbox, you rename it to maybe shopping. Nimeandika shopping. Hey, shopping. Okay. Shop all. Manawi. And then you can add another property, a checkbox. And then you do Oh, okay. 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 Okay.